Sorry, Snoopy. You can't go with us. Dogs aren't allowed on the school bus.
Woof. What's up guys, welcome back girlies. So today I'm going to be doing yet another updated room tour. I know I have like 3 of these on my channel, but I live in my room. I'm that teenager that legit lives in their room. Literally the only times I get out of my room is probably to go pee or to go downstairs grab a snack. And the third reason is because my parents force me to get out of the room, and I've made room tour videos, and that is when I still didn't have my room for myself like 90% complete. I still think there's a few things that I want to add into my room, but those are like very small things that like aren't even like worth waiting for. I feel like now I am very close to it being just complete. I feel like again there's just minor little details. Ever since this whole thing is going on, I feel like I need even more of a positive space to be in. Also, I just cleaned my room. I did like a deep clean and that helped me so much. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as I do. Also, I have a pimple on the top of my lip, if you guys didn't notice, and it's really bothering me. So to start off any room tour ever, we have my door, which is nothing special. I'm gonna start off this way. So right when you turn to the right of my room, I have this right here, and she is known on my channel to be the giraffe lady because look at that awfully long neck. Like, for what reason? I don't know. I honestly have no idea where this is from, but it's most likely from like Home Goods or something like that. My mom loves, you know, going there, so I'm pretty sure that's where it's from. But I don't know, it adds like a pop of color in some way, but it still kind of goes from my room because it's white, and you guys know my room is white and gray. Then moving along, I have my closet door mirrors, or just my closet in general. I have a little tiny sliding closet, which I kind of hate. I wish I kind of had a walk-in closet because I have a lot of clothes, but it's okay. So when we moved in, this closet was actually just normal closet doors, but we made them into closet door mirrors, which I love. I feel like it makes it look a lot bigger, or just a lot more spacious. You guys are gonna see I have a lot of mirrors in my room. I don't know why, but here's my closet. So I know you guys have been dying for, you know, showing you guys my closet and just all the clothes in it, and I promise I'll do one soon. But here I just have some shoes and just some clothes. Like one other family had lived here and they had crazy colors around their whole house. It was like red and blue and everything, but we never ended up painting the actual closet because like nobody really sees it until now. Moving right along, I'm gonna show you guys from top to bottom. So I have these 2 little cute picture frames, which again adds a pop of color to my room because obviously it needs it since my room's a little bland from all the white. But these are actually from TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I'm pretty sure Home Goods though, but my mom just kind of picked them up when I was at school once, and I don't know, I just really like them. It adds a pop of color. It adds to the top of my vanity since it was so plain, but I really like it. We have my vanity, which a lot of you guys seem to love. My vanity is ginormous. I actually really like this. I feel like it's one of my favorite parts of my room, or just like favorite furniture, because it's just so big, and I just love like the big light bulbs. I have a vanity tour slash like makeup tour up on my channel, but I do definitely think of doing another one soon. I'm just gonna show you guys the overview of like what's at the top. So over here to this corner, I just have some makeup brushes, and I know you guys see that toothbrush right there. I use that to tame like my frizz and everything on my head or on my hair. Then I also have just 3 of my favorite Victoria's Secret perfumes that I use like to a day-to-day basis. Then I have the Marabedescu spray, and this one's the rose water version, which obviously I never use, and a hand sanitizer just in case. Mostly with everything going on, I want to keep my hands clean at all times. Then over here, you guys know I have my Apple computer for when I edit videos, watch videos, whatever, and I just have a burn book on the top that my dad got me, and it's from Amazon. I don't know, it's just if I ever want to like kind of write or anything, and it's the burn after writing. I love those, so definitely recommend you guys picking one up. I have a pencil and this hair thing, which I recently decided to take from my mom. Thank you, Mom. Then moving right along, I have this mirror. This one's actually a light up mirror, and it's where I usually hold my jewelry, which probably don't need many more mirrors since I have already so much, but I do definitely love this one. I got it 2 years ago for Christmas, and I'm pretty sure it's from Amazon. A little dirty, as you guys can tell, see my fingerprints. At the corners of my vanity, I just have a couple Polaroids. I have this one with my family when we went up to the snow, which is really cute. Then I have this one of me and Luke, and we actually took that picture, or I did, at the beginning of 9th grade or freshman year, which I don't know, I just kind of like love this picture because it was one of like the first ones I took with him the beginning of this year. So I don't know, I just kind of love it, even though it's like such like a plain silly picture. But so over here is what you normally see. Since the top of my vanity is clear, I wanted this to be more organized, so I just have some Tiffany boxes from, you know, my jewelry that I've gotten from there. I have 2 Polaroids, one of my family and I when we went up to Disney, and then one of me and Luke when we actually went ice skating this year or last year. Then I have 2 palettes. I have the Modern Renaissance and Take Me Back to Brazil palette, which I never use because you guys know I don't do my eye makeup, but they're definitely fun whenever I want to play around with it. And then I just have these 2 Winter Glossier stickers that they've sent over when I've gotten things from them. Then I have this little Gucci box from my earrings, and it's just there so when I, you know, put my earrings away, I can put them in there. And then my little small hoops, and it's the gold ones and the silver ones. But that's just kind of what's up here in this area. So the thing next to it is also still obviously clear, so I also, again, still like it to be organized. And I just have my Shane Dawson mirror and Shane Dawson and a conspiracy palette. Obviously, you know, I love both Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson with a passion, so I had to somehow get their stuff. So I just have the mirror and the conspiracy palette, and then I just have some Polaroids. I have one of me and my cousin, one of me and Luke from the snow, my sister and I when we were younger with my grandma, picture of me and Alicia, and another one of me and my cousin. I kind of want to fill it up with Polaroids, but obviously I need to take more. So then for my chair, I have this kind of high chair, and it's from Amazon, I'm pretty sure. It goes up a little higher and a little lower, which is cool, and it's just really, really comfy. So moving on from that, I have this little thing, and I'm pretty sure this is also from Amazon. I might be so wrong. It might be from Home Goods. I honestly don't know. But it's just like this like tree thing. I don't even know. But it's a purse holder. And I just have my everyday bag, you know, my little backpack, another purse, and they're just hanging off there. So I just have that. And then moving on, I have my window. So I don't know if you guys can see, but I actually have little fairy lights type of things, Christmas lights, I don't even know, but I got those from IKEA, and I don't turn them on because they're really, really bright, but I do love them, and I turn them on once in a while when I want like a bright light but still not like my actual light. And then these curtains are actually from IKEA as well, and I love them because they're like clear and they have like these little like rectangles. I don't know, I feel like it adds something to it. And then I have my 3 mirrors, my little flower mirrors. I have 2 silver ones on each side and then 1 white one, and these are actually from Home Goods, and I love them. Never use them, but I love them. So then we have one of my nightstands, and here I just have this big little stuffed animal that one of my old guy friends gave to me on my birthday, which is super, super cute, and it's holding the 100,000 plaque that you guys helped me reach, so thank you so much. I have this little flower thing from Home Goods and my AirPods, and then I have this light which projects these stars up on my ceiling, and that is actually from Amazon. I think it retails for like $60, but I do think it's worth it. I actually had to buy another one though because mine stopped working, so watch out for that. Do definitely get the guarantee or whatever. Then down here I don't have much, but I just have this little Jesus globe thing and the remote for my LED lights. In this drawer I have stuff for my computer, stuff for my Polaroids, some hair things, and perfumes. Moving on to the thing I sleep in every day, and don't even start giving me comments on how I sleep with this. Whatever, I know I have a small bed, but I like it. It's good enough for me. My headboard was custom made, so don't know where it's from, but it's really cute and I love it. And then these lights are actually from Walmart, and I just got them near Valentine's Day, and I don't know, I think it kind of goes for any time of the year, but they're really cute. Not bright at all, but it kind of adds a little bit of color. All my pillows are from Home Goods. My comforter is from Home Goods, I think, as well, but it's really cute. And I just have my charger there and this curious storage that Luke gave to me, so really cute. So here we have my second dresser, and right here I just have this cute little bear from Dose of Roses that they sent over to me. I have this cute little glasses thing, and it has just me and my sister when we were younger, and I look very scary with bangs. And then when I went to the circus with my mom, which was really fun. It was like the first time I ever got. Then right here I have this little like bear thing that my mom got for me. It was like so random, like she just came home with it and I thought it was really funny, but it's just like the silver bear. I have this Polaroid thing from me and my old friends, and a Hydro Flask with a pin on it, I think. Over here I have my glasses, another pair of glasses back there, another pair of glasses, and like my first Bible and like my remote control, which I never use. In here I have all my hair accessories. I have all my scrunchies. Then I have my Burberry sandals, and then I just have this little like stack thing. Here I have my big dresser. This dresser is from IKEA, and I just have like most of my things in here. Then on the top, I'm getting tired as you guys can see, but I have a microphone, which I only used like once for an ASMR video. I have this like LED like camera, and it's like the light strips. It like lights up with different colors, but it's obviously not plugged in right now. It's like a little camera that my dad got me, an old camera that my dad got me because he knows I'm like into all those stuff. And then I have this like Alexa thing, and I can watch like YouTube and Netflix and stuff on it, which is super dope. So if I like, my dad can like creep up on me, but obviously he lets me have some type of privacy, so I can turn it off. In my drawers, I just have a couple headpieces, things, some swimsuits, bras, underwear, which you guys don't need to be seeing. I have some pajamas, which obviously aren't really. I just have like some sweatpants, Brandy sweatpants, and towel, whatever, like random shirts and shorts that I can sleep in. Here's more of like my tech things or stuff for my camera, which are all stuffed in those bags. And I have a new bag of Kit Kats. You guys know I have a big obsession with white chocolate Kit Kats. A dream of mine, which is like super stupid, and you guys are probably gonna think I'm super dumb, but it's when like I have a meet and greet one day that one of you guys bring me white chocolate Kit Kats, and then like I just have like that moment where like you hand it to me and then I like start crying because somebody like remembered that I love them, and like we become like best friends or something. It probably sounds like super stupid, and you guys are probably like, what the hell? Like, I don't know. Here we have all my school stuff, like my laptop and like a bunch of books that I hope I don't have to be seeing or using anytime soon. Back to square one. I just have this little like basket thing that we have had from like a long time ago, and I just have like a blanket in it, just an extra cozy blanket, and like all my light switches and like my LED lights. This is probably what you guys have been waiting for, but I have my Amazon LED strip lights, and they're all over my room, which my mom finally let me put them up, and I love them. Okay, I know I'm like pink and purple and like every color on my face right now, but you guys know my room is all vibey right now, and we're not gonna mess it up with some light. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this room tour as much as I did. I love my room and I'm so happy with it at the moment. Even if you don't, you're not staying in it, so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And remember that I love you guys and thank you for supporting me. If you guys are wondering where any of my lights are from, my LED strip lights and the skylight are both from Amazon, and these little heart lights that you see right on my bed are from Walmart. So those are where the lights are from. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys liked my room, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys, I love you. Look at the galaxy.